So we're there, Chester. You know, say, I have some used to come. Is it me? Past versus present basketball game. The old boy them over there, so.
Yo, last time we left something like that.
Young boy them on the side. That I same thing when I pre I keep it close to me still, isn't me? Because I have to run on a man in idea wickedly.
You know, say I'm miserable, I don't know still miserable.
Same way. Not change.
You remember?
Not change.
And the only time, you see, me never know, you know. The only time me miserable, I don't, yes, sir. Alright, everywhere.
You see it?
Ready? Have some fun. Next person.
That was expected. Talk when the mark up on the baseline. Don't do it. Watch 15, Steve. Steve, yeah, job. Get back. Nice, Ricky. Go with him. Yeah. Ashika.
Matt the Supreme got that heat.
Oh shit, there's something fair record.
Score is 12-7.
We have 12, right?
No, man, them are wash me.
Yeah, that's the plan. Let's say on the mat.
That's some beer for the freaking quick.
Come on, Clive! Yeah!
Kevin!
Who said that? It's about 20 something. Oh, well done. Bucket.
Yo, take that! Yo, stop that ball!
Ball blocking, ball,
All idiot!
Your body old. Mother old. No, that's good.
Bucket!
We might dip on the outside, man. We just left yesterday.
Oh, you just left.
Like August.
I see.
Which is why I can still kind of move.
You have a team, man. You don't get fat yet, you know?
I drink with it.
One semester, see, I got a fucking gym. Good man.
And I'm like, kill me, they see me. Enough space in dog.
You know everything what you need to do to stay fit.
Hey, yo, no,
All I want to try the necessary time Muslim and them way.
Let's have a feature. That's what you say. Come on, do your thing, man. Man, them there will just get washed, kinda. You know, say I true fat and old on them something. The under 16 are going to play now. You know who on them are going to play still, guys. Man, boss dog. You see me? And boss. Yeah, good.
Yeah, man.
Look at one, brother, whole road. Man, them get washing us, sir. Wash. Steve, what you say? How that you say? How much you shoot? What you score? Proud. One free throw, dog. Crusty. If you don't want to know how much I score, I 4 I score, man. 2 baskets.
What is it?
My edited.
Say self-destruct. Your turn, Bob. Where the point?
Kevin.
Sorry, but edit that.
Kevin, you want me to edit that one? Yo, you can't make it look like it donkey. Oh, Bamba. Oh, you can't make it look like a dog.
I don't know if you don't see me, man's well dark. Friggin' camera spin go. We don't play anything. I change off, you know, and peel out with the steel out. So look at me.